Anyway, good morning again.
Good morning, sir.
How old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
Okay. Is it your first time here in
Yeah, actually it is.
Just like the other candidate, I would like to suggest or to advise to explore Camiguin, especially in May.
Yes, I really plan on, sir. That's why I want to extend my stay here for many days.
You have very supportive barangay captain.
Yeah.
You have also very supportive officials from Poblacion. We need to escort you to explore the place that again judges might ask you questions about Camiguin and budget product. Now, at your age, you mentioned you're a miracle baby. Right?
Yes, sir.
But at your age, what is the most challenging moment in your life? You know, and how did you overcome it?
Well, I think it is actually now because my mother has been a survivor of cancer before, and now she's currently facing another cancerous disease, a goiter in her neck. It is very crucial for me to support her while also pursuing my passion. I don't want to get left behind just because of our situation. But this passion, I also want to contribute to her because we are really, I can say that, struggling financially.
Okay. So we pray for the fast recovery of your mother.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes, other question. I consider find you very beautiful. All the hands, the lips, the mata. My question is, how do you define the word beauty or beautiful? And why is it important nowadays?
Well, it really depends on the people who see you. But for me, beauty is not just on the outside, but also in the inside. How we treat people, how our heart is towards other people, that's how beauty is.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. That will be all for me and for
You feel nervous, Miss Sasha?
A little bit, sir. Just intimidated by all of you. It's okay, sir. It's okay, sir. Thank you.
yes, thank you again for the time to get your fullest commitment, with Miss Mambao. I think this is the most expensive, activity for the whole fest activities. The municipality will be spending at least 2 million for Miss Mambao. So we want this to be as good as it gets, no? And we don't want the past bad experiences we had. And again, time management. Our director will be discussing that now once you are all in that 15 contestants or candidates of Miss Mambao. That's so you are fully committed with this.
Yes, sir. I
Okay,
am.
that's on the record now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, and maybe request the candidates to be here in front para